All right, do you guys remember Joe Exotic on that Netflix special? Yeah, man, I got my Tiger King hat on and my cool glasses. Guys, I'm doing so well in life that this hat was $9 and my glasses were $9 at Walmart. You're looking at $18 of success. But I got my Cobra Kai shirt on that I paid $20 on eBay. So, all right, guys, it looks like I have about $40 of success on my nipples here. All right, it looks like I got a piece of white cotton here and it's driving me nuts, but I got it away. And now I can continue with my super valuable, awesome video for you guys. Okay, first of all, thanks for watching these darn videos of mine, okay? And I just want to tell you a little bit about Save Club. What a great opportunity. Okay, we have 9 days until the official launch kicks off June 1st. All right, so let's see. That means it must be May 21, okay, of 2025. You're ahead of the curve now if you're watching because you're looking for an opportunity to save money on things you're already buying. Good. All right, this is right down your alley, guys, especially if you live in the United States right now. And then we're going to branch to Canada, Mexico. Right now, we're busting ass right now, getting all over areas in Asian areas like China. Malaysia's doing really well right now. Same with Philippines. And I just heard yesterday that South Africa is just kicking butt. So good guys. All right, over there. And girls, of course, too. Everybody wants to save money. Okay. Now, how I recruit, how I just ask you guys, look, do you want to click a link and just look into this opportunity? I love saveclub.com. I really do love it. I dig this thing. Okay, it's a lot of fun for me to promote this, and I think you can do it. So you got to first look into the opportunity and see if you want to join. Okay, now I suggest you go to both of my links here. Okay, the reason I have two is I love saveclub.com. I've done very well with it. Okay, extremely well. It's put me on the leaderboard. I think I'm 8th in the world right now as far as recruiting. Okay, and I'll show you my results so you don't think I'm bull crapping. I just want you to know that whatever I'm doing seems to work right now. And I want you to do the same thing with your own style. You don't have to have one of these badass $9 cheetah hats on. Okay, but if you want, why not? Have some fun. Okay, the more relaxed you are on camera or on your emails, or if you inbox somebody, or if somebody talks to you on the street, all right, just relax. Save Club is awesome. It's legit. It's going to save probably anywhere from 50 to $100 to $200 a month, thousands of dollars a year for people. Okay, this is not a cash grab. This is not some scam. This is good old-fashioned, hey, you join Save Club, $19.97 a month, and you search that darn search button everywhere. And if you're buying something already and you can save, then you'd be crazy not to enjoy the savings, right? And on top of that, if you're going on vacation, a Lyft, okay, Lyft in America, you can save. Go to the airport, there's flight discounts, there's hotel discounts. So if you go to Vegas, there's plenty of entertainment-based savings, even movie theaters, okay? I saved a couple $100 on a purple mattress. I saved $400 at Discount Tire on 4 massive wheels on one of my Hummer vehicles, okay? And just random food stuff. I'm going to eat no matter what. I'm going to drink. I have to. I've been doing it since the 60s. I am addicted to drinking, eating, pooping, peeing, and clucking like a chicken. I do this every day, but mostly in private, okay? So let's just take baby steps. I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there. And this is the page. Well, please watch this YouTube video. Okay, it is our founder. His name is Charles Moy. Okay, I want you to just listen to the guy. Good guy. And if you want more information or if you want to join, fill this information out here on the right below. Okay, my Cobra Kai t-shirt. And click that orange button. And then I want you to just come aboard. Okay, just do it. If you're thinking of joining, I want you to decide the next hour or two. I really do. Because you have a 9-day head start. I want you to join as an affiliate. Okay, it's only 3 $20 bills. It is $60. Okay, I think that's a great deal. You're going to have a full-blown website, which I'll show you. You'll have a capture page like this one. Oh, whoa. But what? Is there more? There's customer service even. Okay, I have, let's see, Aaron has helped me. And Jeremy, and I've written them, I've emailed them quite a few times, and they've taught me a lot about Save Club. So thanks to customer service. So far, so good with those cats. Okay. Now, what does the back office look like? Well, this is the back office, and you can just start at the home page. Okay, let's just go to the home page. All right, your membership, you can join by the month or the year. Each month is $19.97. If you want to join for the year, you will be able to go to a VIP status, and you're going to earn more commissions. And you can check that out right there. There it is, pay plan. Go to the bottom of your cell or the bottom left of your, if you're on a home computer or a laptop, right here, I'll show you again. A lot of people don't see this. Pay plan. For some reason, it's on the bottom left. I wish it was higher up here on the menu. And I'm going to write, see if maybe Michael or Charles or somebody in the back office could maybe put the pay plan right up here. But here's the direct link, saveclub.com/pay plan. All righty. 5 ways to get paid. And it's all good. You know, I've made about $3,100 already. And I've got to pay, let's see, today is what, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So in a couple days, I have one more pay coming up, which is awesome because it reflects almost number 3 here, where it's the generational matching bonus. That's where everybody in my downline, I got hundreds of people in my group, and it's going to be nice to make a little something, something on 4 levels deep. So if you sign up underneath me, that's awesome. Okay. And if I help people that sign up underneath you, get people to sign up as members and affiliates, we all make money together. So my best intentions, seriously, is to help you help yourself and get other people as well and make this simple and fun. It's all about duplication. Right now, I'm a 3-star. All right, I have 100 and something, a couple hundred people in my group. And you guys can go over this pay plan. But if you want to watch a nice video produced about the pay plan, I'm going to show you at the end of this video because it's awesome. It's really helping me kick butt in this thing called Save Club. Now, what do you do? What's the best way to promote? This is what I do. I invite people to a link that goes to other videos. Now, ilovesaveclub.com. This is what you get when you join. You have Charles just talking for 6 minutes. You have that capture page where you can get more information. Or if you want to join, open up your Save Club email and join from there. Get your username, password, configure your bank or cryptocurrency. It's up to you, depending on where you live. I just have a bank here in Utah, United States where I live. So, it takes about 30 minutes. Just go through the whole back office, search the deals. This is a legit business where you can save money on things you're already buying. This is not shampoo, conditioner, stuff you have to go out of your way to buy and pretend to sell to make commissions. You don't have to buy a darn thing. All you got to do is just get your membership, $19.97 a month, one time. Just get those 3 $20 bills out. Pay that $60 to get your website, and you're in business. I have this business card right here that I made, and Vistaprint. They're about $22 for a big old box. And on a street level, I never talk about Save Club any more than watch that link and then get a hold of me on email if you have a question. And that's it. People say they either save or they just don't even want to join at all. They just kind of disappear. That's fine. And if you want to be an affiliate, I'm going to send you a nice email and tell you exactly what I do. Now, my most successful thing right now is my funnel system. Do you see on the bottom right of your screen? SaveClubFunnels with an S.com. I want you to watch both these links. Now, the reason I'm so successful right now is the Save Club funnel. It's a 20-minute video that explains Save Club, including the comp plan, the pay plan, the compensation plan. I call it the constipation plan because it's such a pain in the ass. Yeah, but we get paid 5 ways. A lot of people get tripped up on the comp plan. Don't worry. If you just sign up people one at a time and we get paid every Friday, it breaks down exactly how you made your money, and it's worth your while. But go back a minute or so, go back to that link I showed you, and you can just watch the screen and read the 5 ways we get paid, or go to saveclubfunnels.com. Now, when you go there, this is what you're going to do. Just put I'm going to put in let's all rock, at gmail.com. All right. Now, this video is the 20-minute video. So saveclubfunnels.com and watch this video, and you'll see if you have not joined yet, or if you've already joined Save Club, don't worry, you can get this funnel system. It's only 25 bucks. And if you don't like it after a month, then don't get it. Do it though. It's really helped me out. It's been a really good help for me. I have a lot of other businesses that I do, produce car shows, I do voiceover work, I own a radio station next door. So I'm a big fan of working. I'm not looking to retire. I really enjoy working, but I love making video and just inviting people to Save Club. You know, it's a lot of fun. You can see on the leaderboard, I'm doing pretty good. I've had like 3 or 4 signups in the last day. Let's see, I'm number 8 right now. I've got almost 80 signups, and I have someone else coming aboard in an hour or two, they said. So yeah, I should have about 80 signups. It looks like me and Cedric and my good bud Eric. And look at that, a lot of Americans doing well. But we have Japan, and look, there's Canada. And these flags, I have no idea where they're from. But like I said, South Africa, Asian areas are signing up. Look at all these flags. I just know Japan, and I know like the UK. I didn't realize how many countries. Oh my gosh, okay? There's a lot of great countries out there. But you can see when you go to statistics, the last 3 days I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've had 7 people sign up just in the last few days. And it's awesome. And most of my success, I just got to admit, it's the funnel system. It just does a better job of letting people like you relax and just sit back and watch a 20-minute video. It explains everything, how to save money, how to go in the back office under my deals. And then if you want to be an affiliate, how to become an affiliate for 60 bucks. And most importantly, the compensation plan. It shows how to go in a restaurant even and pop up the savings on their phone and pay. And after that 20-minute video, I have no doubt there's probably maybe one question you might have, and that's just, can I join fast or faster or fastest? And that's it. I don't have anything left to do other than send you an email after you join. And then I even send you an email after you join Save Club Funnels. It's easy setup. My buddy Mike, he hosts a step-by-step video how to set it up. It just takes a handful of minutes. Basically what you're doing is you're getting your information from Save Club, your affiliate link, and putting it into the funnel system, and go through the funnel system. Or if you want, go ahead and just go to saveclubfunnels.com and enter in, a legit email address, and then see what the funnel does. And you can also do your own auto responding. If you're really good at emailing, you can use GetResponse. You can go, what's the other one? Aweber. What's the other one? HBA Funnels. That's the one that hosts this whole funnel system. It's one of the best funnels. And it is cheap. It's 25 bucks. It is not 1 to 200 like ClickFunnels. All right. So you're going to really enjoy the savings of Save Club, but you're going to like the affordability of doing this business. And you don't have to buy a darn thing. All you have to do is just pay to be a member to Save Club. Obviously pay that 25 bucks for the funnel. And after 30 days, if you don't like the funnel, you don't have to pay. There's no contracts. Same with Save Club. If you just want to join for the month, see if you save. If you pay $19.97, let's say you save only 50 bucks for the month. Is that worth it? 20 bucks to save 50? I sure think so. My first month I saved 700. So I'm a big fan already of this darn Save Club thing. So, all right, guys, thank you for putting up with my glasses and my hat. Go to both these links, and you can see my email right there, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I am not shy. I'll help you out if I can. Okay, kid? All right, thanks for your time. Subscribe into my channel, and I better change my glasses or my hat. That's just too much cheetah. Even Joe Exotic from Tiger King would go, wow, you look freaky like a douche. I know I do. Thank you very little. All right, guys, I got to go. Prosper. Live long and prosper. Isn't that what Spock used to do? And then Ronnie James Dio. Yeah, rock and roll. Okay, have a good day, guys. We'll see you next video. Bye.